Nining Jo Acholi, welcome back to Chaka Leb Acholi, one segment make Kwan Leb Acholi, reading on Panyikwara, session number 62, focusing on the Goloba Subclan. I'm Jackline Ikang. Please join the live, like, comment, share, okay? If you are from Panyikwara, Goloba, and you have any information regarding this subclan, please leave a comment under this video, send comments, send me a DM. I'm going to be reading about Goloba for the very first time. I've never heard of this subclan or subgroup. Goloba. Please let me know, okay? The reading is about 2 pages. Please excuse my son, okay? Hopefully I can read fast enough. Please make sure to follow us on YouTube. We are on YouTube as Chaka Leb Acholi. Okay. We are also on Facebook as Chaka Leb Acholi. Okay. My personal Facebook, where I also post videos and other contents that I like, is Chaka Ikang South Sudan. Okay. And we are on TikTok also as Chaka Ikang South Sudan. Okay. And I pour my tech. Wabiro Chaka Kwano Lokmikina, Panyikwara. Panyikwara is one of the clans of the Acholi tribe of present-day South Sudan. Okay, we already read about Buddha, the very first subclan, the group of people that first entered into present-day territories belonging to the Panyikwara clan in present-day South Sudan. The Buddha people mainly came from, or originally the first set came from Anuak or Shilluk Kingdom. Under Nyikwara being one of the family members of the Shilluk brothers who fought over the royal bead and the royal spear. In Acholi, we call them Lobongo and Gipir, the 2 brothers. Okay. Nyikwara led the people into Bilinyang or Bari. Kadung Dikenyo. He died, and his son Modi, Chief Modi, led the people into Aru, Olubo, and then from there, Chief Modi died, and his son Chief Kitala led the people into Garibire. Okay, and then other groups came and formed other parts of the Buddha subclan, including people from Mundari, who are the Buddha Pagana, and then we have Bajul, those people from Uganda. Okay, in different groups. Okay, so today we will read about the second group that entered the territory after the Buddha people, which is the Goloba people or Goloba people, the second subclan of Panyikwara. Okay, now please, if you're from here and if I'm reading anything wrong, mispronouncing anything is inconsistent, please drop your comments under this video. Please also send me a DM or a private message and I'll pull in my deck. Okay, now let's get right into it. Regarding Logmi Goloba, la choyo choni money. Goloba tiegi dok od matina ngwen kit man. Alero, Pajombo, Olubo, gi Padegi. Okay, now regarding Alero, la jojo choni money. Ni dok od mi Alero, obino gi Alero matie Uganda. Let me know if I'm pronouncing Alero correctly, okay? Is it Alero? Okay? Yala la dit Lokici. A year, okay, luak mi Alero i Sudan, ikin mwa mia apara biro. Okay? In the 1700s. Yala ningo, te kwaro pachuli wajini, Jo Alero, o weha omero, gilimero i Uganda, pilok mi kech malbero kanehodano i mwaha macha. Yala ningo, ludiro mi Panyikwara mukena wajini, Jo Alero o donye Panyikwara kachil gidana mi Padegi. Okay? Gino nungo dano mukena dong, tie ite God iwire. Okay? I'm sure they're referring to the Buddha people. Yala karong ningo, regarding Jo Pajombo, this is another small group of the Goloba people, Goloba. Okay? Regarding Pajombo, la Jojo Wadingo, Dokot mi Pajombo Bino Ge e bar, Nyojo Baria, okay? Ikin Mwaha, a par bichel, ni Pierre Pongwanwe Beach, Road Aramatala, a yeo kiloluak mi Pajombo e Panyikwara. Gino no, dana mi Panyikwara, Mao Bino Chon, don't tear it God ibire. Okay? Jo Pajombo were Lobo Bar, Pilop mi laro, Diangi, Mo Bere Kinge, Gio Miro, Madong, Modong Chen. Okay? Te Kwarpa Chuli, Wajane, Jo Pajombo mi Panyikwara, o Woroka Chilgi Jo Pajombo o Kui, mi Obbo. Okay? Karong ningoni. Ikare magin o ite God ibire. Okay? Jo Pajombo mi Panyikwara o donkan ka Jo Pajombo o Kui o mere di wot gino chira o geri egina. Ite God ayiba. Ite God ayiba. Matie e Obbo. Okay? Lo dirmi Panyikwara o mere gi wot gino chira o geri ite God ayiba matie e Obbo. Lo dirmi Panyikwara, I'm reading in circles. Lo dirmi Panyikwara mokene wajane Jo Pajombo aye ma ochako donyo ite God iwire gi bodana mi Alero. Okay? Yala Padegi. Okay, gi chako donyo before dano mi Alero Padegi gi Olubo. Mana ye gen ma owe Jo Pajombo o doko wiri pajo mi Goloba. Okay? So kagin wiri pajo mi Goloba. Okay, Alero kono. Gi gonchen. Okay, drop your comments if you're from Goloba, me Panyikwara, or if you're even from Panyikwara and you know, ring on me Alero, ring on me Goloba. Is it Alero or Pajombo? Yeah, concerning group Olubo. Na chojo choninga, take what me Panyikwara, what ne? Jo Olubo bino ge, Lokiliri, nyo Lolubo. La Chief Wani kwar ruot Ambrosio aye kwanya luak mi Olubo gi Lolubo otero Leb Acholi ene di Panyikwara kuja. Okay, dano man bene kwanya nying megi gi kom nying Lolubo. Okay, gino wero el waro ka gin dong olungo kum gi ne Olubo. Dano man o tim kid man mi po kwere kama gino bino gie. Okay? La Chief Wani o da luak mere wako gi Lolubo pi lokom kech gi lweny mo bedo ikin dano mi Lolubo. La Chief Wani gin gi omine la do. Okay? E kare ma gin oneno ni dano tie ka to maduong gi kech wagi muony omego gin ogoro luak mi Olubo duchu kachiel. Okay? Nyala ni ngom ka gin ochako wuot ma kun gin dok kwere yotung piny yosa. Okay? Lo diro mi Goloba mokene wajo ni la Chief Wani pe wuro gin gi omine lado keken en bene okwanya la mine achola. Okay, Achola la da. If you're familiar with this, drop your comments, like, share, engage. Okay. Yala kadok ningo. Okay, rongoni. Okwanya la mine achola la da. Okay, rokanyime. Okay. Ka okwanya lotina wube rio magilungo gini. Iriem gi matidi. Okero ni lotina wube ario man miero onen jwe mine wekpe opori kare ma dano tie ka wood. Okay? Yala now concerning Jomingo, Padegi. Te kwar mi Panyikwara wajani dana mi Padegi gin obino ge kabera ma para dek. Dana mo ken obino ge Alur Uganda. Okay? Dana mo ken obino ge Lopit. Ka dana mo ken kono obino ge Koyo Bira. Parod Lotara. Okay? Dana wajani dana mi Padegi ma obino ge kabera megi ma para. Gindujo bino iloba choli mi Sudan, pilokum kech mauporo iwi lobo iwi mwaha macha. Okay, drop your comments. King about Jo Padegi, your imi Jo Padegi. What can you say about Kamo Bino Gie, Kimo Okidi Panyikwara, Maukil, Ubino Gi Uganda, Ubino Gi Kanye, Ubina Lu, Ubino Gi Alu, Ubino Gi Bira, Koyo Bira, Nyogi Kangini. Kejmo Kilowun, famine. Okay, drop your comments, cool now. Yalla, regarding team, got me Goloba. Okay, Chon gi Chon, Jo Goloba, onongotie gi team a dek mana ye team Alwalaa. Team Alwalaa. Okay, team we Abur gi team Lomori. Giti gi team ngani a dek. Team Alwalaa, team we Obur, gi team Lomori. Okay, drop your comments. What do you guys think? Yalla, te kwar mi Panyikwara. Wajani team Alwalaa gi team we Obur, Obero, team Padegi. Yalla, chila chen Jo Padegi o kwanyo team we Obur, gin o cholo gi ko palatina wobi mi agoro bura, ma Jo Padegi o neho idwaman. Okay, ka team Lomori wala Lomoti, kono onongo team Pajombo. Okay, gin bene ocholo team man bojo Olubo, pi Latina wobi mi Olubo maliej oneho ikare madano tie kadwaro team Lomori. Mado nyuru bodwani chon gi chon Jo Goloba onongo tie gi team a dek enter kombedo man giti team a dek enter kombedo man gino dong gi team area. Okay, mana ye team Alwalaa gi team Lomoti wala Lomori. La Padegi bene, la Padegi bene, makuru chiriba mi team Maggie. Jo Goloba wala Goloba bene tie gi gora real man a ye got li pull gi got pa Omer. Okay, yalla ti kwar mi Acholi wajani Jo Goloba tie gi Jok achiel magi lungo Jok Mwonye. Jok Mwonye. Okay, Jok man tie iket wan dong pe wang yo nying dano machon ma bero ka yubo wang Jok Mwonye wala Mwonye. Ento nying dano manyin malo diro Acholi po ye aye Ilirinyang gi okui. Okay, dano wajani la dit Ilirinyang aye mau Chaka yubo wang Jok Mwonye inge topa Ilirinyang inge topa Ilirinyang Jok odong bot okui. Watin okui aye pori yubo wang Jok man. Okay, this is as of the time my research in Utiri 2009 and it was published 2014. This information was still as it is, right? The finding was still true. that nga o kui man o tia yugo wang jok in nga le nyanga ta. Okay? Yala ni la dit geralimo mamur adelfere o je borani dano nakajui yugo Jok Mwonye idwe mi achiel mo haduju kanina mi yubo wang Jok Mwonye tie lo dira dek manakajui yuayo nyok romo gi kongo kwere gintero I wang Jok. Okay? Lo diro ka o wang Jok ginero nyok romo gitero ka gin chamo. Dong kuon mo dong ka chiel gi jami ma otero kwere gid wero I wang Jok. Okay? Chief Acholi okwer ni wi romo ma otero gi Jok miero pe obung nyo otedi. Lo diro wero wi romo ka chiel gi kongo kwere I wang Jok. Okay? Kalo dira deg man otiro chom gin dok pajo gin bene pe duogo jami mi otero kwere inino menu chut. Jami megi buru I wang Jok ka gi odigo mokene lo dira chiel nyola dira chiel dok ka kelo jami. Okay? Dano duoko jami man pajo weko kon teach mi mohamukene. Lo diro guoko jami man I kabedo maber. Lo diro mi goloba wajuni kalo diro adek man o wako gi wang Jok. Tuol madongo ni tuol matino dong bino ka chamo kuon gi ka maro kongo kwere mo were wang Jok. Just remind me to stay away from these people. Okay, so they're saying that when they sacrifice a goat for their spiritual power, and they have to cook and leave the head of the goat there for their God or spiritual power. Okay, and then once they leave, all kinds of snakes have to come out to eat the food they left for them. This is their the kind of sacrifice they have to make once a year to their God. Okay, or their spiritual power. Their spiritual power or deity is called Jok Mwonye. Okay, so you have to feed it once a year with a goat head, and alcohol, basically. Okay, just kind of scary. Excuse me, I don't want to offend anybody. Kadomingo, Lotino Panyikwara mapol wajani Jok Mwonye tie Jok ma pire tekte 12 but Jo Goloba wala Goloba. Dong waro Jok Mwonye peo bero pa Jo Goloba nyo Jo Panyikwara keken. Ento dano duchuma dwaro team Alwalaa miro or Jok man. Okay, if you're going to hunt in their territory, you have to worship their God or bow down to their God, basically. Tien mapol dano ma pe nyuru woro megi bod Jok Mwonye en mio bodgi puot ma deep bodgi yala Jok Mwonye tie team Alwalaa. What? That's confusing. Okay. Mila po lokman ma be Jok Mwonye oporo ba ikin mwaha apar bong wen gi piera boro ya bichel. E karma jo ba obero ka laro team Alwalaa gi bod Jo Goloba. Dano mi Goloba mo nongo ni jo ba tie ka laro Alwalaa. Gino chwala duan bod okui ma en bene obero la yub wang Jok Mwonye en bene la kut chiri ba mi team Alwalaa. Okay? Yala la di okui mo winyo lokman en bene ochunyo En bene chunye o chwe ikom joba. Pimano kuyo koru chiriba mitima Alwalaa gi wo menu chut chut anyerio donyo kachamo bel gi poro pa ba. Te kwar mi Panyikwara wajini anyeri pe chamo bel keken. Peo chamo bel keken. Anyeri bene obedo ka kayo gweno pa ba gi ikingang. Okay. Man otime minyuro bod jobani tim Alwalaa magin laro ni pe tim megi. Okay. Joba mao neno anyeri tie ka chamo bel dok bene kayo gweno gi kingang le wich ma mahogin. Joba dong obedo ka yenyo yo ango magin twero jigo kwere lokman. Jigo kwere lokman. Gigu mabe la puny Emiliano Lodel mi Pajombo mo nywalo Jok okui nywayi. Odok bene odongo ipaneo. Eno nongo tie kwa gi paneo mere. La puny Emiliano Lodel obedo ka wuot I Goloba Subclan. Okay. Man omiyo bore kare mi puonyo kit ma jo Goloba kweo kwere twin Jok Mwonye. Kalok mi kit man obino gam. Kalok ma kit man obino gam. Does that make sense? La puny Emiliano ochero bod ruot koche gumbiri. Koche gambiri won Loberia ma nongo loyo dano mi bar I Muhammad. La puny Emiliano dong owaje bore ni ruot. Ini ng'eyo maber ni dano mi bar odak I tim Alwalaa pi lokom cham gi pi amara kachiel gi Kwan palotino. Ruot nen dong kit ma anyeri tie ka balo cham palwak meri gi poro. Anyeri bene kaya wa gweno gi ikingang. Anang'eyo maber ni lok man duchu obino pi lok mi laro tim Alwalaa. Andong aliri gi kijani katwero meri katwere miero uchung laro tim Alwalaa. Okay. Mikelo kuch ikin joba gi jo Goloba wala Goloba. Luak meri miero omak nyok ramo omi bolo diro Goloba wala Goloba wegin otum gi tim Alwalaa. Okay. Yala ruot koche gambiri bene oneno ki gi wange kid ma anyeri tie kwere ka balo jami pajoba. Ikar ma ruot koche gambiri owinyo lok man gi dok la puony Emiliano en peo kwero tampa la puony. Ruot gambiri dong omako nyok romo omiyo bola diro kui kid ma la puony Emiliano owajo. Okay. La diro kui ogamo nyok romo ento ka otumo gi tim Alwalaa. Giwo menu chut anyeri ogigo balo cham gi kaya gweno pajoba. Okay. What do you think? If you're from Goloba, you're from Panyikwara, you're an Acholi, what do you think about this story, Pajo Goloba? Okay. So the writer is saying the Goloba subgroup of the Panyikwara people, okay, uh, Okay, they came from different places. Okay, they have 4 mini subgroups, which is Alero, Pajombo, Olubo, Padegi. The Alero people, they're saying, came from present-day Uganda. Okay, uh, and they left Uganda because of famine. Okay, they came around the same time with the Padegi people to Panyikwara in South Sudan. Yalla. The Pajombo people were the first to enter the Goloba land in Panyikwara. Okay, but the Pajombo people, they came from Bari, Baria, which is another tribe in present-day South Sudan. Okay, they came around 1695 under Chief Aramatala. Okay. They came and went to God Iwire, where they found the rest of the other Panyikwara people. Okay, at that time. So there is Pajombo of Obbo and the Pajombo of Panyikwara. There's 2 groups. They came together from Bari, Bar. One half went to Obbo, one half came to Panyikwara, basically. Okay. The one that went to Obbo went to God Ayiba, or Mount Ayiba on Obbo. Okay. Yeah, and then the next group is Olubo. Okay, they saying that the Olubo people came from Olubo or Lokiliri under Chief Ambrosio. Okay. Okay, they also came because of famine. Okay, from Lolubo. Okay, and settled with the Panyikwara people in present-day South Sudan. Okay, and then the Padegi people. The Padegi people came from different places, including Alur, the people of Alur in present-day Uganda. Okay, some came from Lopit in present-day South Sudan. Okay, some people came from Koyobira. Okay, under Chief Lotara. They all came to Panyikwara and settled with the Panyikwara people in present-day South Sudan and Panyikwara. Okay. Yeah, regarding rights to their lands, okay, they're saying the Goloba people have one land that they have rights to, which is Team Alwalaa. Alwalaa means monkey. Okay. So Team Alwalaa is theirs. Okay. And they also have one called Team Obbo. Okay. And they have another piece of land called Team Lomoti. Okay. Because of some killings, okay, they had to give away one of the lands. Okay. And then they were remaining with only 2 teams, which is Team Alwalaa and Tim Lomoti. They had to give away Team Wani, Obbo. They had to give away Team Obbo because somebody had killed somebody from another subgroup. So they had to pay with their land, basically. They had to pay back. Okay. Yalla. They have one spiritual power, which is Jok Mwonye, which is their god, basically. There's a lot of stories about how to make sacrificial rituals to their god and what would happen if they didn't. Um, okay, so that's about it regarding Goloba. What do you think? If you're from Goloba, please drop your comments. Goloba, Anyoko. Okay, if you're from Panyikwara, Acholi, what do you think? Uh, I don't know too much about these people. Please drop your comments. If you'd like to be a guest and find out more, please also join us. Drop a comment under this video. Share widely with your friends and family. Engage with the platform. Marapo Amatek, okay? Tomorrow, I will start reading about the Palewa people. The Palewa people, okay? Which is another subclan of the Panyikwara clan of the Acholi people of present-day South Sudan. Okay, guys. Anapo Amatek, please make sure to like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Chaka Leb Acholi. Follow us on our official Facebook page, which is Chaka Leb Acholi. My Facebook is Jackline Ikang South Sudan. Also subscribe and like, comment, engage with the platform. Okay. I look forward to getting back on tomorrow to read about the next subclan. Okay. So every night I try to read before going to bed, if I can. Okay. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.